Okay, so that's the kind of sort that is often the most useful, because you have a ramp usually have a palette made up of ramps, and maybe you want to sort each individual ramp by brightness. You could use a reverse sort. If you already have a ramp that's sorted, you can use a reverse sort, like turn ascending to off. You can use a reverse sort to reverse that ramp, like that. And yeah, the ascending option's pretty simple. Now there's one thing that it's good to know before I go any further here, is that, just reset that, is that when you do a sort, the sorting algorithm that Python uses has what's called stability. It's a stable sort, which means that if you have some sort of ordering already in place, say that you sort by hue, and then you sort by lightness, any partial ordering, like where the lightness is the same but the hue changes, that will be preserved. So you can get that's one way to get two-dimensional sorts, where you sort on hue first and then you sort on lightness. So just to demonstrate some of the other ones, I'll run through hue. Now there's a sort of similar situation with hue here, like you've got two measures of hue and they're not directly comparable. Like they both go 0 to 360, but the LCHAB is more, it makes more sense perceptually when you look at how the sorting's arranged. So here's the result of sorting by the HSV hue. This is one particularly interesting thing, where anything that's got no saturation is considered as a hue 0. I don't know if LCH handles that any better, but it's curious. This palette's also interesting because unlike a lot of palettes, it does make sense to sort it by the primary channels, because it's actually a color cube. It has 3 intensities of red, green and blue. Excuse me, I'm having a little trouble getting the ordering here set up right. Just hold on. I'll just pause this if I can. Okay, now we've got the right sort of ordering that I was looking for. So this is one example of how to do that two-dimensional sort that I was talking about before. If you look at the current ordering, you've got red sorted across there, and blue down here. See that this is one block, where blue is all 0 in this block, and it's all 128 in this block, and it's all 255 in this block. And that has some interesting. You can use that kind of thing when you're trying to do a more complex sort. For now, I'll just demo that 2D sorting. So if we've got red, when I hit that, see now we've got blue along this dimension. No, we've got red along this dimension, blue along the third dimension, and green along this dimension. So I just sorted by red, and if I sort by green now, I believe that the blue dimension will be like this. This will be the blue dimension, this will be green, and red will be the third dimension. So that's a 2D sort. Yep, that's right. Blue, green, and red's the third dimension. Now, so far I've just covered sorting the entire palette. Just hold on, I need to check how long this has gone. I'll just start my stopwatch thingy. Okay, right. Now, yeah, I've covered sorting the entire palette. There's several other options available. One of the really handy options I implemented is that you can make a selection from the palette, right? I click to select the foreground color and control click to select the background color. Then you can use the Autoslice option, and we'll use that here, and we'll say we want to sort by lightness but reversed, so purple will end up here and black will end up there. Right? We're just sorting this block here because that's the range from black to purple we selected. That's how Autoslice works. It looks at the foreground and background colours, it finds them in the palette, and that's the slice of the palette that gets sorted. Okay, there we go. Ascending, no, yeah, that's all correct, right?